This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Rebecca Staylor. Seller's pride of ownership is unmatched. Not only can you enjoy the beautiful lake view from your back patio, but you can enjoy every inch of your home, which has been renovated throughout. Renovations include remodeled kitchen, new plumbing, LVP flooring, new carpet, light fixtures, Nest thermostat, new toilets, leaf guard gutters, new fencing, new blinds, and fresh paint. Other highlights to include ample storage space located underneath the stairs and attached storage shed. This home is move-in ready and just searching for its next owner to fill it with memories. Located close to shopping, restaurants, parks, town center, bases, and the interstate, you will not run out of ways to fall in love with this home. For more information, review the details below.